I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am your girl Kavian.
And I am your boy Billy, which is silly.
Yeah. And in today's video, we're gonna do the truth or dare. So
we can't tell the heat, I can answer the question.
we gotta drink some of that.
Yeah. And it's a bottle of Moscato. So, you know, we're ready.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm so nervous, and this is not his first video. I don't know what's going on. It's been a while we haven't been in front of the camera. So you know it's gonna be lit. So stay tuned for more videos. So yeah, Billy. Who first I gonna go? Me or you?
Definitely you.
Alright.
Definitely you.
So Billy, truth or dare?
Well, long time I ask a question. So truth.
Go ahead with the question.
You ever cheat for me?
No, I haven't
Oh,
cheated.
tell loud and clear. Have you ever cheated on me?
No, I haven't cheated on you.
Alright, that's all right away. So
Alright. There. Truth or dare?
there.
So I dare you.
Yeah.
People, may I dare him to lick off my big toe.
No.
You can't tell me that.
No.
Alright, drink then.
Me I go drink to that.
Drink then.
People. It's a simple thing, man. I run it long time. See?
Billy, just don't play it. Let me show it. Because I suppose I something like this. Where's the guy people in work? Come to drink now. Come, next question. Pull the phone. Next question.
Truth or dare?
There?
Dare. I dare you. Suck up my tongue.
Easy something that people. You never talk what how long you must go for. Alright, so babe, truth or dare?
I think I'm going to go with truth.
Truth.
Think.
Have you ever thought about another girl while we are dating or while we are in a relationship? Have you ever seen another girl where you say, alright, then you just say, alright, but I want sex about my wife or my girlfriend? Have you ever thought about that?
No, straight up no.
Why?
Straight up no. Yeah, you know people always say, yo, me a man, me a boy, me a this, and you know, we must see people that we like and think, but sex part and to go deep down in the night to say, yo, you want to sex with other girl, that is lust, and lust is a part of cheating. And my philosophy is that, yo, never you lust or cheat or I grew up on that. So I stick to the root with me know. You know what I mean? Me stay a one burner. Yeah.
Okay, move on.
Yeah. So people, babe, truth or dare?
Truth?
Truth, alright. Would you smash or go back to your ex?
Hell no! No!
Where do I answer there?
Sorry, but no. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Can you see that? I am happy. Truth or dare, babe?
Truth or dare? People, I'm afraid to say no. Truth or dare?
And people, we are have to question them off our head. We have no phone, we don't write down no question.
Yeah,
so just think about it on the spot and ask the question.
I want to know my peeps. Me stick to the truth. Truth.
Truth.
Got them glasses over him too.
Would you ever sleep with any of my friends? Would you ever sleep with any of my friends?
Would I sleep with your end of year friends?
Yeah.
No. Hell no. Straightforward. Hell no. That is like cheating as well.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah. Your time. Shoot out there.
Beer.
There. There.
Where you gonna dare me for the no? Cause you know me not drinking that alcohol.
There. I dare her to lick out my nose, people. And my nose ever full of booger. To lick out my nose. Hey, come on. See that
People may drink to that, yeah, man.
I drink to that?
No,
But
come.
I almost did. No, man. That touching was, no, yeah.
It do
People.
already. It do.
No. Yeah.
It do.
I was ever touch it to that time. I said,
You never say,
Come on.
oh, it's supposed to do. It happened already.
People, well, I'm past. I'm going to drop the boogie them. Boogie them gone.
People, it's already done.
Come on. You know one touch. Whoa! Yeah, you said what?
Nasty.
Ah,
Alright.
your time.
It's my time?
Yeah.
Truth or dare? Bless you.
Wow.
Bless you.
And they really clean those people.
Truth or dare?
Truth or dare. Alright? Truth again. So I go back to the dare. Truth, people. Let me dig down in there. Truth. You must have some question where you really want to ask me.
All of your relationship that you have been in, which one is the best?
All of my relationship I've been with, which is
Been in.
which is the best? People. My current relationship, because it's still going. You know what I mean? It's still going. You know what I mean? And I don't regret nothing, people. It's me, I'm a person where I just always heading forward. I never look back and say, oh, I miss this, I miss that. You know what I mean? If you start to miss the past, you have an intent to live in the past. You know what I mean? So I appreciate what you have now, and what you have now is the best because it's still going, it is continuous. You see me? So, baby, you man.
Aww. Are you asking now?
Truth or dare?
I'll say truth.
Truth? Alright, what should I ask her? What should I ask her? If we move from the video, no, people. You see me? I'll come back with a ring and go down on my knees.
Speak up loud. Remember, we don't have a second.
People, if I move from the camera now and come back with a ring and go down on my knee and get a nice, lovely speech and everything, would you marry me?
Yes, can
Why?
give me this already. So obviously, I will say yes.
Yes.
He's been an awesome boyfriend, regardless of everything that we have been through.
And you see me
He's
fit as a
been
husband.
here. He's stick through it, and yeah, when we're still here, 2 years going strong, I will definitely say yes, a million times.
People so look out for that, yes.
Yeah. Finish?
Yeah.
Truth or dare?
Dear people, go with that dear. Dare. Come on, people. Dare.
I'm if you dare with now. People can like the video, share the video and comments and leave your thoughts down below because more video come. So look out for it. And him said dare, I'm for dare with now. Me for dare you for do something to me?
Yep. That's the idea.
I dare you to lick my ankle.
Lick your ankle.
Yeah, use your tongue and go son.
Your knee or your ankle?
My ankle.
Damn.
My ankle.
What?
Lick it, go son. Yeah.
Simple thing that people.
Go on now.
Ankle that. Truth or dare?
Dare?
Dare. I dare you to give me a lap dance now.
Yes, boy. Give my husband a lap dance on the camera.
Whoa.
How long you want it?
Long. People, Truth or Dare is on fire. It's lit, man.
Alright, go on now.
Truth or Dare.
I'm if ask you now, don't.
You've asked me?
Yeah,
Go on
because we
then.
just asked you.
Yeah.
Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare.
Truth.
Where is your best date with you and me?
Best date.
Even though we don't really have date, but
You
there are
and
some
me.
special moments.
That one is very tricky. Best date with you and me. Well, I would say my birthday last year was like freaking. Of course, it was a date.
Go on.
You know what I mean? Cause we never go out on a date, but call it a date. Cause normal couples go out on a date, and she full up the room. She surprised me. A lot of surprises. The light was like off. She tell me say, "Oh, shut my eye," and then the nervousness of not knowing what is going to come. You know what I mean? Some nice picture frames, like I don't want to talk about it, but some nice picture frames. You know what I mean? A cake, some nice gifts, watch.
You have to tell the people what you
You know
get.
what I
Just
mean?
tell the people
But
and say
don't know.
the place
Oh,
was decorated
Yeah.
and whatever.
Oh,
whatever.
everything was planned out and played out, was like, you know what I mean? Moment that I cannot forget. You know what I mean? So I would say that.
Okay, your time to ask me.
Truth or Dare.
I like the deer, so I'm gonna go with the deer.
You like the Dare.
Yeah.
You like the Dare. You like the Dare. You like the Dare. Okay, let's dare. I dare you to give me a head.
Bro, drink to that.
Finally dig dug. Finally dig dug in night, you know? Finally meant to take a shot. Soft. Soft, man.
Truth or Dare, babe?
Truth again. Na. Thinking. Doop, doop, doop. She don't know what to say, people. Come on.
Truth or Dare?
Come on. Come on. Come on, Team Billy in the lead. Come on.
What are you most afraid of? The truth. What are you most afraid of? It can be in a relationship. It can be like an insect. It can be person. What are you afraid of?
Am I afraid of?
Yeah.
People?
Bun.
No, I'm not afraid of no bun.
What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of?
The abominable snowman, people.
The abominable snowman. What the hell is that? Abominable snowman. What the hell is that? Abominable snowman. What the hell is that?
The snowman, people. The snowman.
The snowman when they make out the ice?
Yeah.
Have you traveled before?
No, but that shit just give me the creep. You know, watch it in movies. It's like, yeah.
Bro, I never hear this one. Dear?
Dear again. For dear, I know. I dare you.
Dare you for what?
Dare you.
For?
Say you love me.
Bro, really? I love you with all my heart. And I will forever love you. Through thick, through thin, no matter what. I will always love you.
Alright, people.
Truth or dare? Is your dream job?
My dream job?
You look like a be a truth, your answer. So what is your dream job?
My dream job. When I was a kid growing up, I always wanted to be an architect. Yes, I love the job. You know what I mean? Angles and all those kind of things. Physics, maths. You know what I mean? That was the thing while I was going school. So I would say an architect be my dream job.
Alright. You've asked me now,
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Yeah. Be a dare you go with. What should I dare right now? What should I dare? Oh, something on my nipples. Suck on my nipples.
Me a nipple girl.
People
want give me 100 likes on a video and more 50 comments. Alright, me not say 50, me I say 50 comments, 100 likes, and want 1,000 views for part 2 a truth and dare.
That's it.
You never tell me what all long we must suck it for.
Oh gosh. Come on. Your time.
The truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to eat some of that Jorgen's lotion. Yeah, man, eat it. Eat it or drink it.
A simple thing that people boy eat it or drink it. Well, listen. Well, I will get up off of this thing. Shall I say, man? Here.
And guys, we are using Banora Moscato.
Jergens.
Come sit down now. With this something.
I have to sit down. See that? Simple thing, people. Look how funny. Hey, hello. That I forgot cut off.
Bro! Come here, we have 1 minute leave back.
Okay, so kind of sweet still. That kind of sweet still. Truth or dare?
Truth.
Dare.
Truth, me say. You will want dare if you eat something. Dare. No.
Truth? Don't say truth.
Truth.
Alright, people. Truth. Alright. What is your most memorable moment with me?
I have a lot of memorable moments. You need to understand. I would say my most memorable moment is when me and him, especially when I'm asleep.
Really, people?
Yeah. You know why I choose?
No.
That is one of him. When I'm asleep, him hate when I bother him. Him hate when I annoy him.
I'm coming from work, people.
Especially
I'm tired.
She's not.
Alright.
Especially when he's tired. Oh my lord. That's when he's sexy. Trust me. And alright, for most memorable moment, I would say when we bring him go meet my mother. That was one of my most memorable. When him actually get full, because we guys live in Kingston. My mother live in the country. When we actually bring him go meet my mother, you know, we get a little dry, and that was most memorable moment for us, or I should say for me.
Yeah, right.
When we bring him go meet my mother.
That's pretty awesome.
Go ahead.
Oh, you go ahead.
Oh, truth or dare?
Truth, I get me. Can't tell you dare. You're there. Close enough with that dare. Give me an icky. I dare you to give me an icky in front of
People,
everybody.
we have my little niece is 10-year-old and she watch our videos. So tell me how me I gonna rate that 1 year now. I want to make my videos kids friendly as well as adult also. So him say want a icky. Him dare me give. A beer beer cologne.
People should do it still.
So guys, I just want to say thank you all for the views, thank you for the likes, thank you for the share, thank you for the comments. I just want you guys to just subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram. Follow my Instagram page is the term Levy.
Mine is Jonah_Jenna. So go and follow us on Instagram.
It's Clive and Cavian forever. Please subscribe to our channel and look out for more videos from us.
Peeps.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.